Here's unique and delicious recipes that combines the ingredients you provided into a flavorful dish.
Alright, so we just finished our shopping trip. Here's everything that ChatGPT told us to get. Let's get started. First up, we gotta thinly slice our sweet potato. Just like that. We're gonna lay our thin slices out. Now we're going to add some olive oil. We're going to brush that on there. And lay it out nice and evenly. Season them with a little bit of pepper. And a little bit of salt. And we're going to bake those for 15 minutes at 375. Alright, now we're going to julienne this carrot. We'll slice it up into even slices. Cut them in half. It goes out. Nice thin slices there. Alright, now we're going to julienne our cucumber. We're going to cut it into 3 pieces, even size. Then we're going to cut it in half. Thin slice. We're going to julienne. There we go. So now we're going to put the crab meat in here. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of Old Bay. 1 teaspoon of Dijon. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Now we're going to blend that all together. And now we're ready to assemble. So now we're going to take a little bit of the crab mixture, put it on top of our sweet potato, take some julienne cucumbers, julienne carrots. Then we're going to roll it up. Return it to our baking pan. Alright, now we got those all rolled up. We're going to put them in the oven, bake them for another 10 minutes, and while that's baking, we're going to make the salad. Now we're going to slice up our cucumber. Get our nice thin slices for a salad. Alright, now we're going to shave our carrot. Get our carrot ribbons. Alright, so first off, we're going to take our vinegar. We're going to put 1 tablespoon in there. Then we're going to get 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And then a teaspoon of honey. Salt and pepper to taste. And then we're going to whisk that together. And there's our salad dressing. Now we just got to make our salad. Now we're going to toss our kale in there. We want about 2 cups of kale. Call that 2 cups. Add our cucumbers and carrots. Give it a little bit of a mix. Add about a 1/2 cup of raspberries. Get that mixed up in there. Give the sauce a little bit of a mix. Add a salad dressing. And we're going to toss that around. Get that flavor all mixed up in there. And our salad is ready. And here we have our AI generated recipe of crab and sweet potato roulade with a kale raspberry salad. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more AI inspired recipes, be sure to comment down below of ingredients that you'd like to see in a recipe. And see you next time. Ready? Here you go. Try that.